This tutorial guides you through adding products on Crazywhiz to reach potential buyers effectively. You will learn how to enter product details, set prices, and submit your listing for approval. Click the Sell menu to start adding a new product on Crazywhiz. Click the Sell Now button to begin the product listing process. Click the Your Name field to enter the seller's name. Enter your name in the provided field to identify yourself as the seller. Click the Email Address field to input your contact email. Enter your email address to ensure buyers can contact you. Click the Product Item Title field to specify the product name. Make it as clear as possible. Enter the name of the product you want to sell to attract buyers. Open the Product Category drop-down to classify your item appropriately. Select the category that best fits your product to help buyers find it. Open the Subcategory drop-down to further specify your product type. Choose the subcategory that accurately describes your product details. Open the Condition drop-down to indicate the state of your product. Select the condition that best describes your product's current state. Click the Product Features field to add detailed information about your item, its specifications, technical details if any. Try to give as much product information as possible. Provide a detailed description of your product, including usage history and condition. Click the Purchase Notes and Delivery Instructions field to add important buyer information. This is most important field. Enter the first note, for example, specifying that buyers should collect the product in person. But if you agree to deliver the item to buyer's address, you need be sure before adding such information. You need to discuss delivery terms very clearly. Also, discuss who bear delivery charges, loss of goods during transit, etc. So think twice before adding delivery or collection terms. You need to discuss delivery terms very clearly. Also, discuss who bear delivery charges, loss of goods during transit, etc. So think twice before adding delivery or collection terms. Go to the Purchase Notes field to continue adding buyer instructions. Add a note advising buyers to check all product details before confirming the purchase. Go back to the Purchase Notes field to include further instructions. Add a note, for example, stating that no warranty or guarantee is available for the product. If you have product warranty still available, then mention the same. You need to mention clear information about expiry of warranty or guarantee. Return to the Purchase Notes field to add payment instructions. If you want accept only cash, then specify that only cash payments will be accepted for the product. If you are okay to take online Google Pay or PhonePe or any other payment modes, mention the same. Go to the Purchase Notes again to finalize buyer instructions if any. Add a final note reminding buyers to thoroughly check the item before purchase and making payment. Click the Purchase Notes and Delivery Instructions field to review all notes entered. Go to the Purchase Notes field to confirm the instructions provided to buyers. Ensure all purchase notes and delivery instructions are complete and clear. Click the Regular Price, Original Price field to enter the original price of your product. Enter the standard price of the product before any discounts. Click the Sale Price field to specify the discounted price for your product. Enter the sale price, final price after discount, to attract buyers with a special offer. Open the Quantity drop-down to specify how many units are available. Choose the number of items you want to list for sale. Click the Product Image field to upload photos of your product. Make sure you upload clear images with white background if possible. Also, you are responsible for any image copyright issues that arises. Add clear images to showcase your product and attract buyers. Click the Your Address field to enter your location details. Do not add door number or house number. Be careful with this information. Do not share personal information. Just mention your locality name and some landmark. Enter your address to inform buyers where the product is located. Go to the City field to specify your city for buyer reference. Enter the city name to complete your location information. Click the checkbox to confirm you have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Ensure the Agreement checkbox is selected to proceed with product listing. Before adding products, please check terms and conditions of selling products on Crazywhiz platform. Click the Add Product button to submit your product listing for review. You will be redirected to your products page. Your product is awaiting for approval, and once accepted by Crazywhiz to display, it will be shown on Crazywhiz under My Products. Crazywhiz will check all products under pending approval. If the listed products or meet NGR listing guidelines, it will be approved. Click My Products to see all your listed items and their statuses. You have successfully added a product on Crazywhiz by entering all required details and submitting it for approval. Next, monitor your product status and manage listings through the My Products section. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please mention the same. We will try to help as soon as possible. Crazywhiz don't take any commission for listing and selling products.